Hayden and Grandma make bird feeders. What you need is 2 loo roll middles, a knife each, peanut butter and bird seed. But first of all, you're going to cover your toilet roll holder in peanut butter. See how well you can do that, Hayden. Spread it all on like that. That's a ticket. Plenty on, Hayden. Got it? Yeah. Yeah, come on, the knife. How you doing there? Alright?
Trying.
You're doing really well. Grandma help hold it for you, and then you can put it where your fingers are.
I don't actually know how to do this.
You're doing really well.
Because I've only done it one more time. I've only done it once.
Have you?
Yeah.
Are you making a mess on your hands?
Yeah.
That'll be okay, we can wash them off afterwards. Right, there's a big gap here. Maisie's trying to eat the peanut.
What peanuts?
In the peanut butter.
Oh. Well, she can eat them, can't she?
Well, it's really for the birds, isn't it? Right, all this bit here. Okay.
Oh.
Lovely. Lovely and messy. Right, stand that up a minute, put your knife in there. And get your bird seed.
You tip them out.
Like that. Get your roll. And watch Grandma's first, and then you can do yours. And you just like that.
Easy.
Easy peasy.
Yeah.
Oh, big old peanut sticking on there. And then you can do yours. Rub it nice and hardly so they all stick on. Okay. That's lovely. And then we can hang that on the branch of a tree, which we'll go and do over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Say bye-bye.